Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to backup contacts to Google account on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here of course you just have to open your contact applications. Here I'm going to open my three applications and now go to the contacts. And after in this context, we'll see this is the numbers that I want to backup to the Gmail, you guys, or the Google account. So if you want to backup it, you just have to tap on this organize button at the bottom. Tap on it. And we'll see here, scroll it down again until we'll see the export to file. Tap on it. And yeah, we have to export it first to the file, you guys. And it will be VCF. And now I'm going to tap on save. And after, if it is saved to the file, you have to go to your account, which is your Gmail account. I'm gonna open my applications first, my Google applications, and after, we'll see here my icon account at the top right in the corner of the phone. Now here, tap on manage your Google account. And before it, you just have to make sure that your phone is connected to the internet, yeah guys, by Wi-Fi or the mobile data. And after here at this page, you just have to scroll it down again a little until we'll find here the people and sharing. Tap on it. Now go to the contacts options. And after, as you can see, there are no contacts here guys on my Google account. I'm gonna tap on got it. And after here, I'm gonna tap on the stay on web. If you wanna backup it, you just have to import first the contact file before. I'm gonna tap on this import contacts and now select file. And after, we'll see here the contact VC app that we have exported before. I'm gonna tap on it. Now tap on import. We have to wait for a second, yeah guys. And yeah, this is the numbers that I have backed up from the phone to the Gmail or Google account. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.